Hi friends, so today I'm going to talk about digital marketing. So a lot of freshers and a lot of people who wish to switch their career into digital marketing come to me and ask this question that the digital marketing industry is booming and we would like to make our career in it. Is it a good decision? And every single time I ask this question back, that whether you would like to make career in digital marketing because it is booming, or you know what digital marketing is, you know what it takes to be a digital marketer, what a day-to-day life looks like, and it excites you and hence you want to make a digital marketing career. So the answer that I get is, one, they want to do it because it is booming. And I don't say it is wrong to get into a booming field, but at the same time, it is extremely important that you understand what it takes to be in that career, whether it is digital marketing or anything else. So today I'm going to talk about what digital marketing is. The most important point is that digital marketing is an umbrella term. So you don't become just a digital marketer, you become something specific. You become email marketing marketer, or social media marketer, search engine optimizer, or search engine marketing, which is Google Ads pay per click. You can become a blogger, website UI UX designer. You can become a graphic designer. So you see, digital marketing is an umbrella term, and then there are like some 15-16 verticals that come under digital marketing. So if you are really good with numbers, you should be someone who can be in analytics, reporting and analytics. You can also be good with social media marketing analytics, Google AdWords, pay-per-click analytics, and stuff like that. And if you are someone who is really creative, you can be in social media marketing on the creative side, where you are doing creative designing, the post and the images that you see on social media, you can design those. If you are really good in writing, and at the same time you also need some flavor of data in it, you can be an email marketer. So you can do copywriting, and at the same time you can also see how your emailers are performing. So that's another field. And if you are someone who is good with numbers, as well as would like to work at the back end of the things, you can be a search engine optimization person. You can work on website, not dealing with the content part, or not dealing with the creative part, but dealing with the technical part of the structure, the data, and those kind of things. So this is a little bit of flavor of digital marketing that I wanted to give you. So if you are planning to be a digital marketing person, then explore more on the keywords that I used in this video. I'll put all the keywords in the video description so that you can go and Google out and explore more and see what fits you. So I hope that this video helps you. Thank you.